Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you the next video tutorial of Matrimonial project. In the last video tutorial, I was create a dependency injection for uploading images. So the name of the dependency injection interface is the iProfile image. So add a reference in the to update profile image. Just open account section of the identity server and open also index.cshtml page .cs page, sorry. So add a iProfile image, upload image, a reference of the interface, and add also in the constructor. So initialize iProfile image in the constructor. Okay, that's fine. It now also add a public property like image path string that is available in the user model class. I mean to say that application user class. You can check image path. Okay, and now just also add this thing in the input model also. So add it here also, public string image path. That's fine. Now in the onGet section, I want to get the old images. So you can use actually image path equals to user.image path. User is that is signed user, you can say. And on post async, I want to post the newly updated image. So I from file and file. And in the last section, first of all, upload that file. So use dependency injection upload image dot upload image, in which you can add the file and with the file name. Actually file dot file name is not correct, so you can use only file. So remove file name from here. Okay, now after that you can after uploading that file in the www root folder, you can add that path in the database server also. So user.image path equals to file.file name, and after that you can update your context. So context means to user manager dot underscore user manager dot update async with the user. So that's fine. Now after edit your profile image, now move to the next section, that is create infrastructure for the message. Also prepare the index.cshtml file. So just open index.cshtml file in the account section, manage section, index.cshtml for updating that profile image. So that's fine. You can add a single image and the file browse, you can say, attribute. Now after that, just after adding that image and the file in the input tag of the file, also the image with the src with the model and upload false. So you can set the path actually. Now after that, create infrastructure for the message as well as the users, and users for bride and groom, you can say. So infrastructure is the iMessage set public, and in which you can add some methods. So interface for the user repo, so iUser repo, that interface is used for the groom and the bride with their functions. And the last one is the unit of work, so iUnit of work, also set public. Just open old project, and here is my old project, and open iMessage. Here we have three methods: insert, get all sent messages, get all received messages. So just paste it here. Insert, get all sent messages, get all received messages, resolve namespaces. Now just after that you can open iUser repo and copy all that methods and just paste under the section iUser repo. Here we have get all, get by ID, get all males, get all females, get user by age, get user by salary. And application user class is not there, but matrimonial is not there, so matrimonial user is replaced with the application user. Also resolve the namespace. So I have a application user class, but in the old project I used the name of application user class is the matrimonial user. So now after that just copy the iUnit of work methods and paste it here for the message user repo, and the another method is the save. And in the repository section just implement the classes with their interfaces. So just opens old project. First of all open a new project and add some classes and implement that classes from their interfaces. Now the first thing is the iMessage repo, and that message repo is implemented with the iMessage interface. And here we have the three methods, and from the old project get this implemented method, copy and paste in the new project. Yeah, in that iMessage we have a context class in the constructor. You can initialize the context in the constructor message repo, and get all received messages. We can use include keyword for the sender, and where receiver ID is that ID. Okay, now the same thing for the user repo class and the unit of work class. So add another class that is user repo, and that class is implemented with the iUser repo. Just pause that video and see the code actually. So here is the unimplemented method. Just copy that implemented method code from the old project and paste into the new project. That is copy and paste it here in the new project. Yeah, so also here we have a application DB context class in the constructor, and get user by age, that is implemented context.users.where x.age minimum and maximum. Here we use filters, get all the users, get all females, get all males, get by ID, and get by salary also. So here is the some methods to filter their string. Get a user by salary also, so a salary between the minimum to maximum also. So the last class implemented in that repository section, that is unit of work class. And that unit of work class contain two public property for the iMessage repo as well as the iUser repo class. So it's not actually just copy and paste it here, because in old project we have some mistakes. Just copy profile image method also, but in the new project just only copy iUser repo class, application DB context class, and iMessage only. Okay, just it only the three things in it here, only iUser repo, iMessage and the application DB context. So iUser repo, here we have a public property iUser user repo, and with the get property get also in the message, and unit of work class with the context. Okay, this is the old project actually, Matrimonial. The name of the old project is the Matrimonial, and the name of the new project is the Matrimonial project. This is the new project, Matrimonial project. Okay, so in the new project unit of work class is implemented by the iUnit of work interface. Okay, that thing is the old project. Another method in the old project is the save, and that is also available in a new project. But in the old project you can see the profile image method also there, and profile image in the new project is with the separate dependencies that is cleared in the last video tutorial. Okay, just open get all received messages. There is received receiver ID, and get all messages with the sender ID. Insert method is there in the message repo class. You can see the code of the message repo. You can see the code of user repo also. Get user by age, get all females, get all males, get by ID, and there is user by salary, etc. Okay, unit of work class. In unit of work class only we have three things: user repo, application DB, context, and message. And the last thing is the save method, where the context changes occurs. Thank you very much for watching.